with breaking updates now coming in. DK Shivkumar has just arrived at the Chief Minister's residence after meeting his close aides. DK Shivkumar arriving at the Chief Minister's residence here. He didn't speak to the media and just entered. He will be meeting Chief Minister Siddaramaiah shortly. So the breakfast meeting, the Congress Party show of unity amid the power tussle in Karnataka. DK Shivkumar just arrived at the Chief Minister's residence and the breakfast meeting is expected to start shortly. Now DK Shivkumar has just arrived. Imran is joining us from right outside. Imran, DK Shivkumar arriving at the Chief Minister's residence, but he didn't address the media, directly went inside.
Well, as DK Shivkumar just now arrived. He was supposed to arrive here at 9:30, but he has arrived at half an hour late. That's also was seen as a show of power by DK Shivkumar. That despite the breakfast meeting was fixed at 9:30, he's come here at 10. He just came in. He didn't address the media. He said that at his residence that he will likely to address after the breakfast. So we can expect a joint press conference from the Chief Minister or only the DK Shivkumar. The itinerary so far shows that after the meeting, the DK Shivkumar will head to Delhi like possibility, and then the Chief Minister going to visiting hospital as a scheduled checkup. Now all eyes will be on this crucial meeting here happening behind us at the CM residence, where the breakfast meeting is going to start any time moment now between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister. So the drama which is going on for almost 8 months as to hand over the Chief Minister issue, and for the past 2 weeks we're seeing that big developments which are happening in the state, where DK Shivkumar supporters going to Delhi, and others, and the cryptic messages, tweets, all that will finally come to know after High Command intervened. Whether the meeting will resolve the crisis or it will further escalate, and High Command, both of them will be called to Delhi. We have to wait in for that, whether both of them will come up for an amicable solution to work out on that. So we have to see what happens here behind what right now the Chief Minister residence, where the meeting is going on.
Okay, all right. So what's going to happen in this breakfast meeting? All eyes are going to be on that meeting. The High Command will also be watching very closely. In fact, this meeting was mandated by the High Command. The High Command had told the two leaders to put up a united front but sort out the differences. But the bigger question being, can the differences be actually sorted out at this breakfast? Because the issues are much bigger. It is about the power tussle. Siddaramaiah not ready to give up power. DK Shivkumar making it clear that he wants to be the Chief Minister. There is that question on the 2.5-year understanding between the leaders and the High Command. What's going to happen in this meeting? All eyes are going to be on that. Neha is also live with us. Neha, all eyes are going to be on this breakfast meeting. DK Shivkumar has just arrived. Shortly, we'll also get visuals of the Chief Minister's meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister. But are we looking at issues that are far bigger than something that can be solved at the breakfast table?
Well, Pratibha, that's a question that possibly only the Chief Minister and his deputy could really answer. Remember, it's now reached a point where from both of the leaders having to go to Delhi for this crisis to be resolved, have now received a call from the High Command wherein they've been asked to sit down and talk these differences out. Remember, both the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister were quite prominent and quite crucial in bringing the Congress Party back to power in the state of Karnataka with a thumping majority. Given, of course, that both of them had worked together, was there some sort of an arrangement that was agreed upon, wherein after 2.5 years there would be a change of guard? All of these discussions, of course, are likely to be coming up in that breakfast meeting. But the biggest question that, of course, we'd be looking out for also the answers for would be whether at all there's going to be some sort of an agreement that the two leaders come on here. Is there going to be a resolution that's found to this crisis? Because now, even as you have, of course, the High Command of the Congress Party waiting for this breakfast meeting to get over, of course, we'll really have to wait and see what kind of political messaging per se goes out from this meeting to the High Command.
Okay, all right. So after this meeting, they could also hold a press briefing, and that's going to be very interesting. But of course, we also need to speak about the past precedents we've seen with the Congress Party, like we've been saying for the High Command. The meeting may be taking place here, the bigger test is for the High Command in the national capital in Delhi, where the final decision will be taken. We've seen previously as well when a united front had been put up, including Kamal Nath as well as Scindia as well, and you know what happened after that. We have visuals coming in now. We're getting visuals of